Hey guys, hello, hey, welcome to our channel, or welcome back. Guys, if you've been following along, we have another new yard for you guys. It's one you've never seen, and this is one we've never mowed. This is actually one of our subscribers' yards, guys. Shout out to her, Miss Teresa. Hello, hey. Guys, she watches every single one of our videos. She is truly dedicated, and she supports our channel like none other. So thank you so much. Thank you. She's local to our area. She is actually Harley's
great aunt,
and his great uncle, as well. They live here together, and they actually normally mow their own yard, but just like the previous situation from our last video, unfortunately, these guys are also having lawnmower troubles.
Some equipment.
Yes. So, guys, who do you think they called? We were actually supposed to come last week, guys. We're actually kind of slackers, but we've been so busy. But we are here now. We are here today, and we're going to knock this stuff down for them, guys. So thank you, guys. Thank you again so much. Thank you, Miss Teresa. Thank you for watching our videos. And yeah, I hope you enjoy watching your yard get mowed. Right. So guys, come on. Let's go mow. Alrighty, guys, we just finished up. You guys seen me with something new in this video on this weed eater, guys. That was the Darwin script. This is the first time that I've actually used it, guys. I'm gonna tell you what, shout out to them. That was super amazing. You liked it? I really liked it.
I'm glad.
You know, just my instinct, you know, I was automatically trying to, like, you know, lean myself over a few times, but, you know, then it was more uncomfortable then, so, you know, because I was doing too much, so it kept making me stand back up, you know, the position of it, and I really liked that. So, guys, if you weed eat a lot, I would suggest, please, run and go get you one of those from Darwin script, please. And guys, if you've never weed eaten before and you're about to start weed eating, go ahead and get you one and attach it on your weed eater. Don't even get to where you're already in a habit of leaning over. Train yourself to immediately weed eat straight up and down like you should. So
save yourself a lot of back pain.
Yeah, guys, 10 out of 10, 100% recommend. I love it. Honestly, we're probably, Darwin Script sent us that for free, but honestly, probably we'll end up buying one with our own money for my weed eater. Unless Darwin Script ends up deciding to send me one. But either way, awesome. Love it, love it, love it. Great product. But guys, thank you again so much. Thank you, Miss Teresa. Thank you for supporting our channel. When I see you, you know, like, I don't constantly look at the comments. Harley mostly does that. I focus on the editing and, you know, the filming and stuff, but I do see you. I see you in the comments. And guys, you know, the ones that are always commenting, I see you guys. You know, you guys keep us going. You keep us motivated. You keep us, you know, you're supporting our channel. You're supporting what we do. You're supporting everything, you know, what we love. And guys, we love you so much, and we could not do this without you. So thank you so very much, guys. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Please subscribe to our channel if you're not. And guys, you already know, share this video. Share it with every person that you know. Like, share it on every social media that you got. Write it on a paper, ship it out, and throw it in the wind. No, don't do that. Don't litter, please. No. But guys, all right, put it in the bottle, put it in the ocean. Guys, all right, okay, we really got to get out of here. We got other stuff to do, but thank you guys. This video will be short and sweet, so you guys that aren't too fond of the super long videos, this is for you. And the guys that are fond of the long videos, we got one more coming, so don't worry. We got you. All right, but until next time, see ya.